This is not the DJI Mini 5 Pro, but you know what? It's releasing in less than 2 weeks. So why don't we dive into what we know, all the leaks that I could find on the internet, and let's talk about it. Without wasting any more time, I would love to roll the intro. So the Mini 5 Pro leaks are saying that the new drone will have 52 minutes of flight time and a 1-inch sensor. Hey, I don't know how DJI did it, but you're getting almost an hour out of a mini series drone. I'm just a guy who loves flying drones, and let me tell you, if you weren't excited about this launch yet, you should be. Yes, firstly, let's talk about the flight time. You are going to get 52 minutes or something closer to that in the real world from the DJI Mini 5 Pro if you are using the Flight Battery Plus series that DJI has. But there is a catch. Once you use the bigger batteries, you will actually cross the 249 grams boundary. So you might have to register your drone and get a license for it, which is in 2025 not a big deal. So if you haven't yet gotten your license, do go get it. It's not expensive and it's not that hard. But yes, if you do end up getting the better batteries, you will get almost an hour of flight time out of your drone, and that actually makes me happy because flight time was one of my biggest complaints with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and apparently they are solving it with the bigger battery. But even if you don't have the bigger battery, you will still get a little bit better battery life with the new drone, about 36 minutes. That's what they're claiming. But once it launches, once I have it in my hands, we'll test it out for sure. And then there is the 1-inch sensor on the mini series. Finally, I am beyond excited, and it's not only because bigger sensor means better low light performance and better cinematic footage, but a bigger sensor on the mini series means that I don't have to personally invest in a larger drone, and I can get almost the same quality footage straight out of a mini drone and still be able to carry it almost anywhere in the world. That's an absolute win in my book. But yes, a 1-inch sensor on the mini series drones definitely means better quality footage, better low light performance, and a better dynamic range. Trust me, if you haven't used a 1-inch sensor or a Micro Four Thirds on a drone, you don't know what you're missing out, especially when it comes to post-processing. Getting at least a 1-inch sensor on your drone is in 2025 is a must, and I'm so happy that they'll be putting it in the mini series. And here's what really excites me. Using that 1-inch sensor, the true vertical shooting mode will be even better on the Mini 5, and I can't tell you what it means for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. More cinematic footage, better looking B-rolls. Overall, just a better experience. Now let's talk about the obstacle sensor on the Mini 5 Pro, because it is getting a huge upgrade because they're finally putting in the LiDAR sensors, 2 separate ones in front of the drones, as you can see from the images, which are of course all thanks to Igor Bogdanov. Trust me when I tell you this, I crashed this drone, no fault of its own, but I did crash it in less than 2 weeks, twice. And the better the avoidance system is on a mini drone, especially, the more money you'll end up saving. Let them put all the obstacle avoidance they can on a mini series drone. It will not only just be a lifesaver, but it will actually give you that peace of mind that you actually need when getting those beautiful looking cinematic shots. I know you shouldn't be trusting 100% on the obstacle avoidance of any drone for that matter, but just being able to rely on a system like that is a game changer. Now the DJI Mini 5 Pro will have smaller upgrades like a better gimbal system on the drone, which will be able to rotate the entire 225 degrees angle without cropping in for true vertical shooting, which is amazing. And also tap and twist propellers, because once these breaks you have to replace them. They're not expensive, but these ones, the Mini 4 Pro ones, you actually have to screw it in. So if I can just tap and twist and remove it and replace it, a welcome change. that's for sure. Now, here's the question though. If you already have a very capable Mini 4 Pro, would you upgrade to the Mini 5 Pro? Are these changes in the new drone enough to convince you to spend more money? Well, we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait for the launch event. I'm super excited, as you should be as well. And if you like this video, like always, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment down below if you're planning on buying the Mini 5 Pro, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, and I really hope DJI sends me one for free.